Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Ninja Glass Blender is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own. Today, we're diving deep into this kitchen workhorse, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the right fit for your blending needs. From smoothies to soups, this blender promises to handle it all. So, buckle up as we explore the world of glass blending and see if this blender lives up to the hype. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Blender. This powerful blender features an 1100 watt motor, allowing it to crush ice to snow in seconds. It's perfect for creating smooth smoothies and frozen drinks. You can easily blend tough ingredients with ease. Enjoy 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a single serve function. This blender offers personalized blends and professional performance. It gives you complete control over your creations. Blend large batches for family recipes with the 72-ounce pitcher. It's ideal for parties, meal prep, and serving the whole family. The pitcher is designed to handle all your blending needs. Easily mince, chop, grind, and blend ingredients. It's perfect for making salsa, dressings, and more. This feature makes meal prep quick and easy. Blend directly in the 16 ounces to-go cups, add the spout lids, and take your drinks anywhere. These cups are perfect for busy lifestyles. It's convenient and easy to use. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. This makes cleanup quick and easy after every use. You can spend more time enjoying your creations. Get inspired with the included 28 recipe guide. It's full of delicious and easy-to-make smoothie, frozen drink, sauce, and meal ideas. It helps you explore new flavors. What we like. This blender is a powerhouse, boasting an 1100 watt motor that crushes ice and blends with ease. It also comes with convenient to-go cups, perfect for your busy mornings. If you're always on the move and love a quick, healthy smoothie, this is the perfect choice for you. It's easy to clean and ready to go. What people say. It has 5 functions. Its XL capacity. Its blades are powerful. Number 4. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This blender features a new, modern design and a more powerful motor than previous models. It's designed to make your blending experience even better. The Ninja Total Crushing blades give you perfectly crushed ice. With 1,400 peak watts of professional power, it handles ice and frozen ingredients with ease. It has 3 preset Auto IQ programs. You can create smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream at the touch of a button with this machine. Take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs. These programs combine unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to do the work for you. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher is great for making large batches. It's perfect for making drinks for the whole family. It includes a 15 recipe inspiration guide. You can create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more with the help of this guide. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked assembly blade are easy to clean. They are also dishwasher safe on the top rack. What we like. With its more powerful motor and Auto IQ technology, this blender takes the guesswork out of blending. It offers preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. If you are looking for a blender that simplifies the process and delivers consistent results with just a touch of a button, then this is the one for you. This will be your new favorite kitchen gadget. What people say. It has 5 functions. Its XL capacity. Its blades are powerful. Number 3. Ninja Blender NJ601 AMZ. Introducing the Ninja Blender, a kitchen essential. This powerful blender crushes ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds, perfect for all your blending needs. With a 1000 watt motor, this blender delivers professional performance. It provides the power needed to handle tough ingredients and create smooth results. The 72 ounces pitcher is great for making large batches. It has a 64 ounces max liquid capacity, ideal for family-sized smoothies and drinks. This blender uses total crushing technology. The blades pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It blasts ice into snow and blends ingredients into sauces, dips, and smoothies. You can create a variety of delicious recipes with this versatile appliance. This blender is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleaning is simple and convenient, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Included are a 1000-watt motor base, a 72 ounces pitcher with pour spout, total crushing blades, and a 10-recipe inspiration guide. It comes with everything you need to get started. What we like. This blender utilizes total crushing technology, making it a champion at pulverizing ice, fruits, and veggies. The large pitcher is perfect for family-sized batches. If you like hosting gatherings or have a big family, this blender's capacity and crushing power will make entertaining a breeze. You will be amazed by its performance. What people say. With 1000 watts and total crushing technology, it blends ice, frozen fruit, and smoothies to perfection in seconds. The pitcher is large enough for family-sized batches, and cleanup is a breeze since everything is dishwasher safe. This blender design is the best as the blades grab everything from the bottom through close to the top and mixes everything. Number 2. Ninja BL610 1000W Professional Blender. This blender boasts 1000 watts of power, ready to tackle any ingredient. It crushes ice and breaks down tough items with ease. It's perfect for all your blending needs. The 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for making drinks for the whole family. You can easily create frozen drinks and creamy smoothies. It has a 64-ounce max liquid capacity. This blender uses total crushing technology. The blades pulverize ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It delivers unbeatable power for perfect results. Quickly turn ice into snow with this blender. You can create delicious frozen drinks. Enjoy resort-style beverages at home. A recipe guide is included to spark your creativity. It provides inspiration for drinks and dishes. Explore new recipes and enjoy the versatility. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is as simple as using the blender. It's designed for convenience. You'll receive a 1000-watt motor base and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a lid. Everything you need is included to start blending. What we like. This blender offers professional-grade power and an extra-large pitcher, ideal for making frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family. It crushes ice in seconds and blends your favorite ingredients. If you enjoy making resort-style frozen drinks or creamy smoothies, you'll love how quickly and easily it creates them. It's a must-have for any smoothie enthusiast. What people say. With 1000 watts and total crushing technology, it blends ice, frozen fruit, and smoothies to perfection in seconds. The pitcher is large enough for family-sized batches, and cleanup is a breeze since everything is dishwasher safe. This blender design is the best as the blades grab everything from the bottom through close to the top and mixes everything. Number 1. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. This Ninja kitchen system boasts a powerful 1500-watt motor. It can crush ice and blend frozen fruits with ease, delivering professional results every time. The XL 72-ounce pitcher features total crushing blades. This technology crushes ice to snow in seconds, perfect for large batches and entertaining. It includes two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids. These are perfect for making personalized shakes and smoothies to take with you. The system delivers consistent chopping, pureeing, and mixing. It includes a dedicated chopping blade and a dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. It offers the flexibility to handle various recipes and meal prep needs. It features 4 unique blades optimized for every task. From total crushing blades for XL blending to pro extractor blades for on-the-go and chopping, and dough blades for the processor bowl. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. What we like. This is a versatile kitchen system, featuring a powerful 1500-watt motor and food processing capabilities. It comes with to-go cups for personalized shakes and smoothies. If you are looking for a multifunctional appliance that can handle blending, chopping, and dough mixing, then this is the ultimate kitchen companion. It's designed to make your life easier. What people say. It blends, chops, and mixes effortlessly, perfect for smoothies, sauces, and meal prep. The system is very user-friendly and easy to operate, even for beginners. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System, 1500W, is a versatile and powerful appliance that works as a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker, delivering smooth blends and easily handling tough tasks like crushing ice, mixing dough, and chopping ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.